I've never mentioned this in my channel before, but with this new application that we will be using today, this can give us more than $500 for free. As you all know, making money online is free, legit, and easy to do. But the twist or the challenge is to do it on your own. Because how can you make money online just by watching this video? If you're just gonna lay down and just by scrolling your phone, of course, you're not gonna make some money. I suggest you to stay with me until the end so that you will not miss out any important details. Also, don't worry because I will be walking you through step by step as always. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cashflow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and/or any suggestions. Before going to the website, you must first create and have your own PayPal account. So you go to paypal.com and click this link to create a 100% free account. Simply complete the needed fields and log in to your PayPal account. You can open your own bank account online by searching for an online bank account if you don't want to use that choice or do so. In my nation, I found the internet banking website on Google and signed up for entirely free accounts. With everything out of the way, I'm going to jump onto my computer and explain everything before I show you the software that would pay you $600 for doing nothing. I just want to show you 2 more apps, so in total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps in this video. But first, I want to show you a few different applications that will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone. And then you can concentrate on the last topic I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $600 for free. By then, you'll have these 2 apps giving you a passive income for free. Yes, these first 2 apps will pay you to do nothing. Simply install them and I'll show you the 3rd software which will pay you $600 for nothing. As I already stated, this will be the first time we've mentioned it on my channel, so expect a great video. So make sure to stay till the very end. It's a website that allows you to send money via text message. The first site we're going to use. This is their official website. Well, we'll just install the app directly onto a smartphone device. Basically, how this works is that it's a free app that allows you to make money online. Medically, they receive SMS generated by the system and customers. And all you have to do is download it to your smartphone device, create an account, and it will send you some random messages. You are not obligated to respond to those messages. They literally have no worth. They are just numbers that you are familiar with and can discard as soon as you receive them. You will, however, be compensated for each SMS you can get. This website is called moneysmsapp.com, so there's no need to do anything. You'll probably get an SMS, and all you have to do now is sign up for this app. Every day, they'll give you fresh text messages, and you'll be paid for each message as I mentioned. So basically, you can come work here to read more about how it works. But keep an eye on the next website, because this one is exclusively for Android and still functions on both iOS and Android. But this one unfortunately only works on Android. If you don't have an Android device, you won't be able to make money with the SMS Money. Their app is exclusive to Enjoy because it only actually allows you to read SMS messages. All you have to do is install and get paid by their money-making app for receiving text messages. This is how secure their app is, because it doesn't read any of the data, including private messages. Only read their own estimates, so they will not steal or read your messages. I've done a lot of research on this app, and people are really happy with the amount of money. They're making use of it, and they're really happy with how the system works. As you can see, it's completely automated. You can earn money with the apps without having to do anything. And they also have a really nice referral program where they could earn 30% of your referrals burning. If you refer a friend to this app and they signed up, once they start making money for $100, you'll get $30 for free completely passively for the rest of your life. They'll provide you with passive revenue. Sure, there are a variety of ways to generate passive income with money. You'll never have to pay for this SMS app because it's entirely free. It will always be free. And you can learn more about how it works by reading more about it. In other words, join up for automated SMS messages and get paid for nothing. Here are some screenshots of the dashboard and app. This is your referral code, which you may give to your friends and family. You may also share it on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with various Facebook groups about making money online, telling them that you can make passive income from the app, and then sending them your referral link so that you can continue to get passive revenue from your referrals. As you can see, this app has a lot of good features. Is this a scam or legit? If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can check the proof of payment for many users on an independent website. Right here, they take all necessary measures to guarantee that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy regulation. You can learn more about them on this website, and you can see that people are making money from it. As I said, I've done a lot of research, and this website works. The next step, which you may use to get some free passive income, cashmagnetapp.com. Obviously, the app's name is just a cashback. Can you install it on your Android phone again? This only works for Android, but keep watching because the last app will be available for both iOS and Android. I'll give you something for free at the end, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you can get money from your Android phone that pays you for every minute. So as you can see, you basically don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all the top rewards programs you want to play, so this one is going to pay you a lot more than the money SMS apps. So we're moving from the lowest to the highest paying out. You can read more about it here. You don't have to do anything. So just watch advertisements or play games. Earnings will come in while you sleep or do something else. You could be eating your lunch, drinking outside, reading the news, or doing whatever else you do on a daily basis. Just do that every day and you'll still get paid for installing this application. And you'll still get paid for installing this application and leaving your phone out there. So expect to earn several times more. After only a few months of working the Cash Magnet, you'll be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you around the clock. This is how tens of thousands of happy customers do it. So you can practically get a new phone. It is completely safe 2 months after you have used it, and the guarantee that your data and personal preferences will not be used in any way. Earning money by doing nothing with your phone, it's completely passive income. So you can learn more about the cashbackapps.com. This is an Android app that will let you earn some additional cash if you're not using your phone. So you can simply leave it out there with the app installed and you will be earning passive cash with no effort on your part. If you don't want to put this on your personal phone, for whatever reason, you might be able to use another device. You can put it on a device that you don't like to use, such as an old phone. Simply download the software to that old phone and it will generate passive income for you. If you leave it out there, you don't have to use it at all. If you put it on as many devices as you have in your home, you can earn even more passive income. It's also entirely free once more. There is no need to pay for any of these apps because they are all entirely free. The last app that will be used is this one, which will be used in a moment. I'll tell you what the app's name is, but this one will pay you $600. Simply by listening to music, you can earn up to $600 every year. All you have to do is download the software, which is accessible on both the App Store and Google Play Store for iOS or Android. As a result, there will be no complaints in the comments section that it only works on Android or iOS, because this one works for both sides, and you'll get paid for just listening to music. Install the application and listen to music to gain additional points. The more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. So basically, you're getting paid to listen music in your free time. So you can browse and play from over 100,000 radio stations to finally listen into your favorite music while also getting paid to do so. So you don't have to listen to some random music from a SoundCloud that you don't even like. You can actually listen to music that you enjoy and still get paid for it. I mean, I'm sure all of you already listen to music every day. Now you can get paid for doing that, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, spending your points on your favorite brands, and much more as you can. See? This app is available in many countries, and you can download to your smartphone device and start earning money right away. As I previously stated, this app is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Current.us is the name of the app. So this is the website's name and this is the logo, which should look like this. Simply look for the Current software in your Apple Store or Google Play Store and learn more about it. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!